Hi, welcome to Info Magazine's channel. Do you want to know how to get a bigger dick naturally? Here are 3 ways that work. There are a few different options available to help you get a bigger dick naturally. You can get a bigger dick by using the natural methods listed below. 1. Dick exercises. Dick exercises are so popular because they work. Thousands of men have made their dick grow by using them. They are a cost-free way of enlarging the dick, and if done correctly can make it grow an extra inch or 2 in length. There are different exercise methods you can choose from, with jelqing and Kegel exercises being at the top of the list. Jelqing involves using a hand motion to get the blood flowing better in the dick and help stretch the tissues. The time frame for results with jelqing is usually about 6 months because it must be done gently to avoid injury. You will need to devote about 10 minutes per day to these exercises to see maximum results. Kegel exercises work on the floor of the pelvis and help stimulate blood flow to the whole groin area. These exercises not only help increase the size of the dick, but they also help with erection and ejaculation problems as well. Kegel exercises will not increase the size of the dick dramatically, but are best used in conjunction with jelqing to help strengthen the whole pelvic area while the dick is enlarging. 2. Dick extenders. These dick tools have become very popular within the last few years. Word has spread about them working, and as a result they have built up a solid reputation. When used correctly, dick extenders can make the dick grow longer within 2 to 3 months. The extender gently stretches the dick for a few hours per day as you go about doing your daily business. While many men choose this method, a lot of men choose not to use this method because the equipment worn is bulky and some find it too uncomfortable. 3. Dick enhancement supplements. Although quite new to the dick enhancement community, dick supplements are making their mark as a reliable alternative to surgery. They are available on the internet, and many men have reported very good results by using them. Some men have grown their dick an extra inch within a month's time, while others find it takes 2 or 3 months to get this improvement. Maximum results are usually seen at the 3-month mark, and it is not uncommon for the dick to grow by as much as 3 inches. These options have proven effective for many men around the world that have been suffering from a small dick size. You can get a bigger dick naturally with a bit of effort on your part. You can get added benefits as well, such as stronger erections, strong powerful ejaculations, and an increase in sexual desire. For more info and tips about how to get a bigger dick naturally? Then you need to visit the link below on description. https://www.infomagazines.com/health-and-fitness/men-health/how-to-get-a-bigger-dick naturally/. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget subscribe and like and share. Thanks.